Good morning. Today I am working on more Japanese maples. I found a bunch more in this area. I gave away about 5 a few months ago that I had planted up and this last winter. And now I am going to plant up a few more and put them aside and see if I can grow them on for the rest of the season. So here we go. I have one really long one that keeps flopping over that I'm going to pot up on its own and stake it. And the rest of these are only a few inches tall, so I'm just going to put them in a little trough of dirt and see what happens. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. So far, I have, I think, about 10 maples right here, some with more roots than others. Unfortunately, they are a little hard to dig up, but I'm going to put them in a trough of dirt and we'll see which ones take. I still have several more to dig up from around the yard. All right, the first group is in this little trough, and the taller one is now in this pot on its own with a stake. It is not happy at the moment, but hopefully it will rebound. This is definitely not the right time of year to have lifted it out of the ground, but we will see what happens. It's a free tree, so we'll see where it goes. I have a couple more here in the ground, and then I have quite a few over next to that light that still need to come up. I've shared a couple times that the maple tree that was right there was dying back, and this year we decided to completely remove the tree because it was having so many issues. We were going to have to remove branches regularly. Fairly large branches were going to have to come out this time, so we decided to bite the bullet and put an end to our slow misery of letting that tree go. All right, I am done. I have transplanted 28 Japanese maples into these pots here where they will get morning sun and afternoon shade. I am assuming these are Japanese maples based on the look of the leaf, but I am not familiar with the varieties, so I can't guarantee what I have here, but I do have 28. So there are plenty started here for future tree stars or future trees to give away. I did, funny enough, come across 3 baby praying mantis that were just slightly more than a ½ inch long when I was moving these around. So yay!